Hello friends, hope so all are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A32 volume button not working problem or volume button not working for media problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So this problem occur when your software crash or other hardware problem. So if there is software problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.